Student, how's you? Hope everybody had go through my last video, that is basics of trigonometry. Now come to the new topic, that is trigonometric table. What is trigonometric table? First of all, what's the need of this trigonometric table? Actually, we have to find the values of various functions of t ratios. That is, either we have to find sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, or tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree. So to find these values, we have to use this table. In this video, you are eligible to draw a trigonometric table in a very easy manner, and you can easily find by various trigonometric angles by using this table. Let's start. Firstly, draw the various angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And here I have t ratios, that are sin theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, secant theta, and the last one is cosecant theta. Now, firstly, to start this table, you have to draw 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide each of the angle by 4, that is 4, and taking square root of all these. Now we know 0 over something is obviously 0, so I have this value is 0. And what's the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So I can write here 2, and square root of 1 is 1. As it gets cancelled with it, providing 2. So square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is as it is. Next I have square root of 3 is as it is, and square root of 4 is 2. Now 4 gets cancelled with 4, we get 1, and square root of 1 is 1. This is all the angles of sin theta. Next come to cos theta. What are the cos thetas? We can write it as the last angle of sin theta is the first angle of cos theta. That is, the sin 90 degree is 1, then cos 0 degree is 1. Now take it root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. And the first one is 0. Clear? Next come to tangent theta. In the previous video, I have write tangent theta is P upon B, which is sin theta upon cos theta. So, how can I find the value of various angle of tan theta? That is, dividing these two angles, we get the angle of tan theta, that is 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 upon 2 over root 3 upon 2. This gives us 1 upon root 3. Now 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. This totally cancelled with this and we get 1. Next, root 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. We get 2 get cancelled with 2, we get 3, and the last one is 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is nothing but infinity, that is, its value is not defined. Next, what is cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but P upon B, B upon P, that is cos theta upon sin theta. So, also it is a reciprocal of tan theta. So, I can find the value of cot theta by the reciprocal of angles of tan theta. That is 1 upon 0, we get infinite. 1 upon root 3 is root 3. 1 upon 1 is 1. Next, 1 upon root 3 is 1 upon root 3. And what's the reciprocal is of this is 0 upon 1, that is 0. It means if tan 0 degree is 0, then cot 90 degree is 0. Next, come to point secant theta. What is secant theta? Secant theta is h upon b, that is 1 upon cos theta. It means reciprocal of cos theta. 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 upon root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 upon root 2 is root 2. 1 upon 2, that is this, is 2, and 1 upon 0 is again infinity, that is not defined. Next, come to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is h upon p, that is 1 upon sin theta. Cosecant theta is 1 upon sin theta, means reciprocal of this. 1 upon 0 is infinite. 1 upon 2 is 2. 1 upon root 2 is root 2. 1 upon root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. 1 upon 1 is 1. Hope everything get clear up to here. Values in square bracket are the actual values of angles of these t ratios. Clear your doubts up to here and comment down your queries. Thank you so much for watching.